Hi friends, I am Prem. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the food habit which we follow in the daily basis. So basically, we all know that how food is playing very important role in our body and our entire ecosystem. So today, fast-facing world, the majority of people they are consuming the food in the outside environment because the hectic schedule of their work pressure due to various reasons they forced to eat in the outside of food. So in order to avoid that, try to eat organic food and vegetables and fruits. So the recent report says that right now the population will be 7.6 billion. So it may estimated to reach more than 10 billion within 20 years. So this is the right time to entire society together to make and produce health and organic food crops in the society. So not only that, if the person or any individual support to buy any local vegetables and fruits, that will also encouraging the local farmers to economical way. So this is very important that we try to sell local vegetables, fruits in our surrounding areas. Consuming this, that will providing a huge benefit. So in final, the food is everything. The food is God, the food is medicine, the food is yoga. So please consuming a local food, support the farmers. So stay healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.